Hey, welcome to the exciting world of ZKSync. In this video, we have an incredible opportunity to share with you the ZKSync Airdrop. Get ready to learn about this exciting event where you can receive free tokens and be part of the ZKSync ecosystem. Are you interested in getting your hands on free tokens from a promising blockchain project? Well, the ZKSync Airdrop is here to make that possible. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to participate in the ZKSync Airdrop and potentially unlock valuable tokens. Curiosity Unleash. Step 1. Visit the official ZKSync website or follow their official social media channels to stay updated about the airdrop announcement. Step 2. Keep an eye out for the specific instructions and eligibility criteria provided by the ZKSync team. Make sure to understand the rules and requirements to ensure your eligibility for receiving the airdrop tokens. Now that you have familiarized yourself with the airdrop, let's move on to the next steps. Step 3. Prepare a compatible wallet to receive the airdrop tokens. ZKSync supports various Ethereum wallets such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Make sure you have one set up and ready. Step 4. Follow the specified instructions to participate in the ZKSync airdrop. This may include tasks such as joining their Telegram group, retweeting their posts, or completing certain actions to spread awareness about ZKSync. By participating in the ZKSync airdrop, you not only have the opportunity to receive free tokens, but also to become part of an innovative and promising ecosystem. Now, step 5. Provide the necessary information requested during the airdrop registration process. Make sure to follow the instructions accurately and double-check your submission to ensure your eligibility. Step 6. Stay updated through official ZKSync channels for distribution updates. Airdrop tokens distribution usually takes time, so be patient and regularly check for announcements regarding token release. Once the tokens are distributed to eligible participants, you can start enjoying the benefits and potential value appreciation. Step 7. Receive and manage your ZKSync tokens in your compatible wallet. Take note of any additional instructions provided by the ZKSync team regarding token storage or any further actions required. Step 8. Stay engaged with the ZKSync ecosystem. Follow their progress, join their communities, and explore the features and opportunities their platform provides. The ZKSync airdrop is not only about receiving free tokens, but it also gives you a chance to be a part of an innovative project that is revolutionizing scalability and user experience in the blockchain space. So, are you ready to participate in the ZKSync airdrop and potentially unlock valuable tokens? Click the link in the description below to visit the official ZKSync website and stay updated with the latest news and announcements. Bye for now.